There's an epidemic in this country, a silent malaise which is suffered by more than 20 million adult fathers, but is virtually unknown to medical professionals. The name of this debilitating condition? Bad Father's Day giftitis. Bad Father's Day giftitis. Every year, fathers across the country are given poorly chosen gifts like those found on the bargain rack of a truck stop gift shop somewhere outside of St. Louis. Casual, thoughtless gifts that send the recipient into a downward spiral of shame and emptiness. You can see these men everywhere once you recognize the symptoms. Touching his forehead. Standing next to walls and touching his forehead. Silhouetted and touching his forehead. And sitting on the edge of the bed while touching his forehead. But there is a cure. Fan's Edge. Your source for thousands of gift ideas sure to lift the hearts of even the most broken of souls. That's because everything at Fan's Edge has a team logo on it. And fathers love team logos on things. So don't just get him a tie. Get him a tie with a baseball team logo on it. Don't just get him floor mats for his car. Get him floor mats with a football team logo on it. Share this message with your family, with your friends, and that guy you always walk by at work but never make eye contact with. Fan's Edge, the cure for bad Father's Day giftitis, and the one place to find everything for the fan.